Hey everyone, this is Gus. I'm a professional illustrator, and this is a little advice about, creating characters or creating illustrations for children book. Okay? First off, if you want to create a children book, you have many styles that exist nowadays. But my style is practically focused on characters. So the character is the main protagonist of the book. 100% of the children books, the character is the protagonist. So you have to put the character in the pretty much everywhere. So you have to really concentrate in the character, focus on the character, because the character is the one that has to have all the story revealed about himself. Unless you want to put like a nice or fancy backgrounds over there or grandiose kind of things in the landscape, my advice is the character. Thank you so much. This is Gus. I'm a professional illustrator. This is my job, and I love it.